Hi everyone, Mike here with Zap Adhesives, and today we're going to be talking about something that just about every one of us runs into from time to time, especially when you get around the holidays with electronics, is corrosion. In a battery, a small electronics, you take the cover off and all of a sudden you've got batteries that have exploded and have got corrosion on it. Don't go throwing these away. Zap's got a product for you that's going to take care of it. It is our Rail Zip-After Run. So what we have here is, we've got an old Bop It, right? And somebody goes to open it up, they wanted to play some games and couldn't do it because of the corrosion that's in here. And so we're going to go ahead and fix that. As you can see, I do have some protective stuff on. I've got protective gloves. I do wear glasses. And because this stuff is corrosive, you don't want to get this on you, in your eyes, any of that. So take a lot of precautions here. First thing you got to do, of course, is get the batteries out. So what you can see inside of here is that all of your terminals are corroded, so you can't make a good connection. Sorry about the little Bop It here, but I think you see what I'm working with. So first thing you want to do is get a bottle of the Rail Zip-After Run. This is part number PT-31. I put our flexi tip on here to control it. And what you want to do is you want to saturate these areas with the After Run, Rail Zip-After Run, and just to start getting that corrosion inhibitor on there and the corrosion cleaner. Those of you who don't know this product, it was essentially born in the model train world. And it was designed to clean and keep the tracks clean. And looks like I got another battery down in there that I got to get out. There we go. And this stuff is red, and so that's another reason to wear gloves. You're not going to sting your fingers and all that, but really it's just to keep your stuff safe. And once you get all your rails up, get all your connections saturated. What next thing I use, as you can see, is a cotton swab. All right, and now what you want to do is swab these areas and start to get that corrosion off of there. And you can even see just by putting it onto the spring here that corrosion is basically gone. It just eats it up. All right. So next thing you want to do is take your cotton swab, and sometimes I'll even take a little mixing cup because if you can't get a good saturation on here, you'll get a dripping, or you could put a bunch in a cup and then just soak it up. Now we want a nice layer of the After Run on here, the Rail Zip-After Run, on each of your connections. Really get a nice coating, and that will stop any further corrosion to occur. What we're going to do next, I'm going to go get some AA batteries, put this in here, and I'll show you it's all working. We'll be right back. So we're back, got 3 AA batteries in here, and go ahead and hit it. There you go. There you go. It's all working. Just grab yourself a bottle of Rail Zip-After Run. Keep it around the house. Make sure that all your toys are back up and running. Everybody's happy. Hey, again, this is Mike with Zap. Check us out at zapglue.com. Have a great day.